Are you ready to discover the secrets that will make her miss you like crazy? In this video, I'll share with you 6 simple yet effective strategies for any woman to desire to be by your side. Whether you're in a well-established relationship or just starting a new chapter in your love life, these techniques guarantee to ignite the spark of desire in her heart. So get ready to make her think of you all the time. Tip 6. Maintain your distance. One of the most intriguing and effective ways to make a woman miss you greatly is to learn to master the subtlety of maintaining a calculated distance. This doesn't mean you should suddenly disappear or become indifferent, but rather find a dedicated balance in your interaction. When you immerse yourself too emotionally or become too available, you risk losing the opportunity for her to long for your presence. Instead, by giving her adequate space, you allow her the opportunity to process her own feelings towards you. This strategic distance not only piques her curiosity but also creates a kind of mystery around you. She'll wonder what you're doing and why you're not as available as before. This, in turn, will lead her to cherish the moments she shares with you and ultimately deeply miss you when you're not around. Maintaining a conscious distance fuels desire and keeps the flame of attraction alive, which over time strengthens the bond between you two. In short, it's not about distancing yourself from her, but giving her the necessary space to realize how much she values and needs you in her life. The magic of making her miss you begins when you learn to be strategically distant. Tip 5. Don't invest more than she does. One of the most common mistakes in seduction is over-investing emotionally in a relationship. If you truly want a woman to miss you, it's essential to understand that respect and attraction go hand in hand. If you give yourself completely and give more attention than you receive, you risk falling into the category of being too available. Unfortunately, this doesn't generate desire. People value what they have to gain. And in this case, if you're always there, she won't feel the need to seek you out. Instead, by maintaining a healthy balance between giving and receiving, you establish an emotional game that incites her to want more from you. This implies maintaining high standards, respecting your own limits, and not acting out of need. When she perceives that you're not willing to sacrifice your dignity for her attention, her respect and desire towards you increase. The paradox is that the less you invest emotionally, the more likely she is to invest in you and deeply miss you when you're not around. In summary, maintaining a balance in emotional investment is the key to igniting desire and genuinely making her miss you. Tip 4. Don't be afraid of losing her. In the exciting game of relationships, the fear of loss is a determining factor. Many men fall into the trap of fearing the loss of a woman, and this becomes their weakness. When you're afraid of losing her, you become vulnerable to behaviors that can undermine your self-esteem and the respect she feels for you. But if you can overcome this fear and stand firm in your values and desires, you'll be one step closer to making her deeply miss you. The fear of losing her can lead to complacency, ignoring your own needs and desires, and constantly seeking her approval. However, when you feel secure and don't fear the possibility of losing her, you emanate a confidence that is tremendously attractive. This doesn't mean being indifferent, but rather maintaining your own worth and not basing your happiness on her presence. By doing so, you make her aware that you're a man with a fulfilling life, and her company is a valuable addition, not a necessity. This drives her to value you even more and miss you when you're not by her side. In summary, the courage to not fear losing her is the key that opens the door to desire and genuine attraction. If this video is helpful, all I ask in return is your subscription. In the description, you can find a link to a free class where you can learn scientific tricks to conquer the woman you desire. Just click, watch the short video, and take action. Tip 3. Put yourself and your purpose ahead of her. In the exciting journey of seduction, it's crucial to understand that the most attractive man is one who has a purpose and passion in life. Your career, goals, and purpose should be the backbone of your existence, and this is what truly captivates a quality woman. When you focus on your own mission, you become a man on a mission, and this is extremely attractive. Having a clear direction in your life gives you a unique confidence that radiates around you. And this is irresistible to women. They want to be with someone who not only manages life but also has a future to look forward to with excitement. By prioritizing your purpose over her, you become emotionally independent, which is essential for a healthy relationship. This leads her to admire you as a leader, capable of offering more than just kindness and servitude. Ultimately, by focusing on your purpose, you create a dynamic where the relationship becomes sustainable, and both parties can flourish emotionally and physically independently. In summary, prioritizing your life's purpose is the path to being an irresistibly attractive man and ensures that she misses you when you're not by her side. Tip 2. Feel comfortable being alone. One of the fundamental pillars to make a woman miss you deeply is the ability to feel completely comfortable and secure when you're alone. The fear of loneliness is one of the biggest obstacles in relationships. If you want her to miss you and seek you out, you must learn to enjoy your own company and find satisfaction in your inner world. When you feel fulfilled by yourself, you project an attractive energy that draws people towards you. Being secure in your solitude makes you free from desperation, fear, and the need to impress others. This translates into authentic and genuine interactions. When you are self-sufficient and selfish with your time and attention, you garner respect from others, including the woman you're interested in. She perceives your independence and feels a deeper attraction towards you because you don't need her presence to be happy. In summary, feeling comfortable being alone is a powerful magnet that attracts people to you, including the woman you desire. When you master stability, she'll not only miss you when you're not present but also seek to be by your side. Tip 1. Give her what she needs, not what she wants. In the fascinating art of conquering and making a woman miss you intensely, the focus lies in understanding the complexities of her emotional desires. It's not about catering to her whims but providing what she truly requires. A woman desires to experience an emotional roller coaster when she's with you, where she encounters both exciting moments and challenges. You must architect this experience by offering positive emotions but also a certain level of uncertainty and challenge. By being distant at key moments while providing memorable moments, she gets caught in a whirlwind of emotions. She values the good for missing the bad and is attracted to you because you offer a unique dynamic. The key is to maintain control of the situation, never allowing her to dictate the course. Acting this way presents your presence as a valuable gift that she longs for and pursues. In summary, giving her what she needs, not what she wants, is the formula to create a deep attraction and make her sincerely miss you when you're not around. In conclusion, if you follow these tips, you can change the dynamics of your relationships and make any woman miss you greatly, even if initially she shows no interest. Remember to maintain your distance. Set boundaries, prioritize your purpose, and give her what she needs emotionally. Good luck in your quest for success in romantic relationships. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.